वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम तत्सत्।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
Any questions or doubts from last class or about the homework?
अहं द्वौ पाठौ न कृतवती। अहं श्वः करिष्यामि, तदनन्तरं प्रेषयिष्यामि महोदय।
अस्तु। Those who were able to do it, any questions, any doubts or from the last class? अस्तु।
भानु महोदय,
वदतु चैत्र महोदय।
एकः संशयः अस्ति। मम नाम चैत्रा इति वाक्ये चैत्रा कर्मपदं वा?
चैत्रा अस्ति, मम षष्ठी विभक्तौ अस्ति खलु, तत्तु कर्ता न भवितुम् अर्हति। मम नाम चैत्रा। नाम अस्ति, किम् अस्ति?
गतकक्ष्यां वयं मम मातृभाषा संस्कृतम् अस्ति इति वाक्ये संस्कृतं कर्मपदम् इति पठितवन्तः। अतः अहं पृच्छामि महोदय।
सो अहमपि तद्विषये किञ्चित् चिन्तितवान्। So it depends on what you are emphasizing. Are you emphasizing Matrubhasha or are you emphasizing Sanskritam? So depending on the emphasis, one will be Karta, one will be Karma. Same way with Mama Nama Chaitra. Chaitra Asti.
Chaitra Asti.
Kim Asti?
Chaitra, because I'm fixed on that, that if it's Karma Padam, then it has to end in that, like I don't say Mama Nama Chaitram Asti, right? So I'm a bit confused. Like in Sanskritam, it's there, Sanskritam, Kintu Chaitra, it is like, Mama Nama Chaitra Asti. So I'm, I was confused.
Okay. Mama Nama Chaitra Asti. So you're thinking it's Visheshana Vishesha?
I'm not sure.
अस्तु, चिन्तयित्वा वदामि।
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः।
अस्तु, अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अस्तु, RSS पुस्तकम् अस्ति वा? Everybody has the RSS book? Astu. Let us do some abhyasas from there.
I don't have.
Astu, chinta mastu. You have an electronic copy, right? Everybody should have an electronic copy. Open it in your screen or phone, wherever. It's okay. It's we are just doing some minimum abhyasas. It's easy enough. Type api karomi. 390. So there is that Abhyasa 236 plus. So let us do that. So this is all Saptami Vibhakti in the last. Huh?
Saptami Vibhakti.
Mahodaya. So in the last class we studied Saptami Vibhakti in various forms. We had already studied Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Strilinga, etc. We also saw in the last class Ikaranta Strilinga, Ukaranta Strilinga, and Ukaranta Strilinga. Those are the new things that we studied. So what is the primary purpose of Saptami Vibhakti? What does it indicate?
Adharam.
Adharah. Location iti Angla-bhashya. Kutra asti iti prashna asti chet samadhanam saptami vibhaktau asti. एकम् अन्यमपि अस्ति वयं प्रायः आरम्भे पठितवन्तः कदा इति अपि अस्ति खलु कदापि प्रश्नः अस्ति चेत् समाधानं सप्तमी विभक्तौ अस्ति भवान् कदा पठति अहं सप्तवादने पठामि at 7 o'clock vadane. So that is kada and the samadhanam is saptami, saptavadane, ashtavadane, whatever. Kutra asti, gruhe asmi, gruhe, saptami ekavachanam. So saptami has a few other uses. So that is what we will look at today. So on page 390, Abhyasa 236 plus. So nirdharane saptami, to do nirdharana in saptami. So what is that we are, nirdharana means to determine something. So what are we determining here? If you look at the first udaharanam, Bhima Arjunayoho Bhimaha Jyeshtaha. तस्य अर्थं किं कोऽपि वक्तुम् इच्छति वा? भीम अर्जुनयोः भीमः ज्येष्ठः.
Between Bhima and Arjuna, and Bhima is the elder one.
So Bhima
comparison. Comparison.
Comparison or nirdharana. Satyam. So Bhima Arjunayoho tasya vibhakti का विभक्ति?
सप्तमी विभक्ति षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचनम रिलेशनशिप.
षष्ठी वा सप्तमी वा?
Saptami द्विवचनम.
Among so
between the two of them, among the two of them, so saptami. So the Rupa,
which page?
390 Mahodaya, RSS 390. So we saw that Shashti and Saptami Dvivachana forms are the same for all Shabdas. So the only way to determine which vibhakti it is through context. So Bhima Arjunayoho Bhimaha Jyeshthaha. Atra karta karma ityadi kim asti? Kriyapadam kim?
Kriyapadam asti.
Asti.
Atra karta kaha? Bhimaha karta. Jyeshtaha kim bhavati? Jyeshtaha ityukte kim?
विशेषणम्.
ज्येष्ठः इत्युक्ते अग्रजः.
अग्रजः विशेषणः
खलु ज्येष्ठः अव्ययः नो.
Jyeshta just means any elder.
Okay.
So it can be Visheshanam Mahodaya.
Visheshana Vishesha. So atra.
It is not Shashti. it is not Shashti, Sambandhe Shashti,
No.
relationship.
Jeshtha, akaranta
Okay.
shabda mahodaya, akaranta pumlinga shabda. Jeshtha. So it is the Visheshana for Bhimaha. So Bhima Arjuna yoho kim bhavati saptami dvivachanam. Pumlinga. So when we want to do comparison or determining what is what, we use saptami. So instead of Bhima Arjuna yoho Bhimaha Jeshtaha, if you want to say among Pandavas, Yudhishthiraha is Agrajaha. How would we say? I will call the name. Sri Vidya Mahodaya. Prayatnam karoti va? Among the Pandavas, Yudhishthira is the eldest.
Pandaveshu Yudhishthiraha Jeshtaha.
Uttama. Pandaveshu Yudhishthiraha Agrajaha Jeshtaha.
Agraha Jeshtaha.
We saw.
You said Pandavana Madhye.
I'm coming to that, Mahodaya.
Okay, it's okay.
So we saw a similar usage using another vibhakti. What is that? Ramu Mahodaya, vadatu.
Pandavana Madhye.
Pandavanam Yudhishthiraha Agrajaha. So when you want to do that among, so you can use Shashti also. So Shashti or Saptami, both are correct. Astu. Astu. The rest of it we can take for homework because they are all similar. We'll take Astu. Let us go to page 392. Abhyasaha 237. Vijay Meenan Mahodaya, Prathamam Vakyam Patatu. Prathamam Udaharanam.
Dhivaraha Nadyam Jalam Pasarayati.
Arthaha kaha?
Dhivaraha.
Dhivaraha ityukte fisherman.
Okay.
Fisherman
Nadyam Jalam Pasarayati. So he is putting the net in the river.
In the river. So atra karta kim kriya kim kriya.
Pasarayati kriya.
Kriya.
And Dhivaraha is the karta. Nadyam Jalam. So Jalam looks like karma.
So how do you know it's karma?
Okay, one is ma is there ending.
Astu. Satyam.
And
you have to ask the question. What do you ask? What question on which?
on Pasarayati, we will ask what is he putting. So net.
Ask the
Jalam.
question. Kim on the
Kim?
kriyapada.
Okay.
Kim prasarayati.
Kim Pasarayati, Jalam Pasarayati. Okay, so Jalam. Okay.
So that is the Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ataha Karma Padam. Nadyam.
Yeah.
Nadyam. What is that Vibhakti?
Nadyam. Nadi.
Nadi Shabdam.
Nadi Shabdam. Which Vibhakti you are asking? Is it?
Mahodaya. अस्तु, चिन्ता मास्तु। भवानी महोदय जानाति वा? नद्याम्।
सप्तमी only, no?
सप्तमी। वचनं किम् अस्ति?
एकवचनं।
आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम्।
एकवचनं।
अस्तु।
नद्याम्।
So if it was two rivers.
नद्योः।
Many rivers.
नदीषु।
That's all. भवानी महोदय, तृतीयं करोतु।
भक्तः पुरीं जगन्नाथम् अर्चति.
So we have to do the Puri shabdasya saptami vibhakti. Puri, what is
Puri,
similar to Nadi?
it's Purim.
Purim va? Nadi shabdasya saptami.
Oh, Puryam.
Puryam.
Bhaktah Puryam Jagannatham Archati.
What is
the devotee? The devotee praise Jagannath. Jagannath at Puri.
In Puri, at Puri.
In Puri.
At api samyak eva. Ninth one, Chaitra Mahodaya. Do the ninth one, please.
Janani Snehamai. Janaka Jananyau. Jananyoho Janaka Jananyoho Janani Snehamai. I'm not getting the meaning, Mahodaya. It is.
Atra Janaka Jananyau kim asti? Tasya vivaranam kim?
Janaka Jananyo Dvivachana. Janaka father and mother.
Father and mother Dvivachana.
Dvivachana.
Prathama vibhakti Dvivachana.
Prathama vibhakti. So Janani Jananyo. Janaka Jananyoho Janani Snehamai.
Saptami vibhaktehe ekam upayogam asti kalu among iti. So among father and mother, Janaka Jananyoho means among these two. So among father and mother or in between father and mother, Janani Snehamayi.
Snehamayi. Okay. Janani is friendly.
Janani is friendly. Among father and mother or between father and mother, mother is friendly.
So Mahodaya, Snehamayi atra Visheshan va?
Snehamayi, Visheshan of Janani.
Janani.
Karta Kshamatam. Kriyapadam kim bhavati tatra?
Kriyapadam asti?
Asti. Uttama. Bhagya Mahoday, 10th one.
Nararakshasau naraha durbalaha. Nararakshasayyoho naraha durbalaha.
Similar to 9th one. Artha. What is the meaning?
Between man and man and Rakshasa, I don't know. Man is Naraha Durbalaha.
So
weak. Man is the weak person.
Astu, uttama. So the rest we can take for homework. They are very similar. Let's go to page 393. Abhyasaha 238. Nipuna kushaladinam prayoge saptami. So when we want to say if somebody is skilled at something, Angla bhashayam api skilled at or skilled in vadamaha kalu. So in Sanskritam also, if you want to say somebody is skilled at something or skilled in something, so that's what it means. Nipuna kushaladinam. So what is somebody skilled at? What is somebody an expert at? If you want to do that, then we have to use Saptami Vibhakti. Manjula Mahodaya, Prathamam Karotu.
Mahodaya Kshamatam. I joined a little late. Which book are we doing?
RSS book, page number 393.
Sorry.
Chintamastu. Sudha Mahodaya, have you been able to find your electronic copy of the book? Bhavati Karotu, Manjula Mahodaya, by then keep the page ready. Sudha Mahodaya, go to 393.
Yeah, Esha Nrutyam Kushala. But is this the answer that's given? Nrutye? Esha Nrutye Kushala. Esha, she is good at dancing?
Esha, this
Esha, this woman. This woman.
Nrutye, Nrutyam. Tasya saptami ekavachana rupam asti Nrutye.
Nrutye.
Kushala. Why Kushala? Why not Kushalaha? Why not Kushalam?
Because it refers to a woman.
Srilinga.
So Visheshana Vishesha Bhava. Kushala, Esha Kushala.
Kushala.
So another way to say it is Nrutye Esha Kushala. Kriya Padam kim asti tatra?
Asti.
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 This woman is skilled at dancing.
Dancing.
Manjula Mahodaya, Dvitiyam Karotu.
Sa dash nipunaha karyam. Will it come as karye, Mahodaya?
Satyam.
Everything will come as a then. It is easy.
Evam va. Okay. Astu. In that case, do number 20.
Balika Krida Agresara.
Krida. What does it sound like?
But you say it is difficult. It won't be Kride, right?
Krida. I'm trying to help you. Krida kim bhavati. Krida, what is it? What does it sound like? What shabda does it sound like?
Like Sita.
Sita. Akaranta Strilinga. So what is the Saptami Ekavachana form of Sita? Sitayam. So Krida will become?
Kridayam.
So Sampurnam Vakyam kim asti? Full sentence.
Balika Kridayam Agresara.
Artha kaha? What is the meaning?
The girl is Agresara. She is good with the Krida.
Agresara means she is ahead of everybody else. Ahead. In Kridayam, in the sport, the girl is ahead.
Okay.
Aggressor has got a meaning of leader also.
Leader also. Satyam. Agreyah sarati. So whoever goes ahead.
In the Sangha they say aggressor.
Satyam. Tatra Sara is, it's not one word. Agre, in front, Sara. It is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Sara. You go in front.
Okay.
Atra agre sara ekam padam asti. Tatra agre sara. You go in front. It's a command.
Okay.
Satyam.
Mahodaya,
Vadatu Mahodaya.
what is agresara here? Is it an aveya or?
No, Strilinga, Akaranta Strilinga Ekavachana.
But it doesn't really sound like Visheshan, right? I mean, agresara.
Kim Karanam? What is the reason?
Ahead, you said ahead, right? The girl is good in is ahead of everybody in sports. So I'm trying to understand how is agresara Visheshan.
So as Ramu Mahodaya pointed out, so one who is ahead, leader iti, if we take it, she is the leader in sports. So leader Akaranta Strilinga Agresara.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः.
यदि बालकः अस्ति चेत् किं भवति?
अग्रेसरः.
बालकः क्रीडायाम् अग्रेसरः अस्ति. सम्यक्. मञ्जुला महोदय, सेम् सेण्टेन्स्.
Banu Mahadaya.
वदतु सुधा महोदय.
I want you to explain the 9th one. Bhavati Gruhakarye Nipuna.
Wait. We'll come to that. Let me finish with Manjula Mahodaya.
Okay.
Manjula Mahodaya. Number 20. So same sentence. Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. Karotu.
सीतायाः बालिकायाः
क्रीडा सीता शब्दस्य सप्तमी. सीता, what is the saptami vibhakti forms of Sita?
सीतायां सीतयोः सीतासु.
So krida will also have the same form. So
क्रीडासु.
Kridasu or Kridayu.
Agre. Okay, Kridayoho.
So what is
Agresara will become?
Will it change?
I don't know.
Agresara, leader, iti, if we take, what is it?
It will be leader only.
So if you do it in English, she's the leader in that sport. She's the leader in those two sports. She's the leader in many sports. Like that. So he and leader remain the same, Kalu.
Yes.
So now try the Dvivachana full sentence and Bahuvachana full sentence.
Balikayoho.
No. We are doing the Dvivachana and Bahuvachana of Krida. We are just talking about that same girl. So in the first case, we said the girl is a leader in that sport. Kridayam.
Yes.
Now we want to say
Mahodaya.
girl is a leader in two sports, in those two sports. So Krida. Kridasu Bahuvachana in many sports. Prayatnam karatu Mahodaya. Balika. So in the first sentence we said Balika Kridayam Agresara. So
Balikayam Kridaye Agresara.
No. So Balika remains Balika. We are not changing anything about the girl. Balika, the girl. So Krida. What is the Dvivachana of Krida? Like Sita.
Krida.
Saptami. सीतायां सीतयोः सीतासु
Asu. Kridasu then.
क्रीडासु बहुवचनम in many sports. बालिका क्रीडासु अग्रे
Kridayoho.
क्रीडयोः.
Okay, though with the Vivachan as Kridayoho.
So what is the full sentence? Balika
Balika Kridayoho as agresara.
उत्तमं. बहुवचने
Balikasu. Right,
we
Mahodaya?
are talking about that girl only. We are not changing anything about that girl.
Oh, only one girl. Okay. Balika.
Yeah.
Kridayam.
क्रीडायाम् एकवचनं, क्रीडयोः द्विवचनं,
Kridayesu.
क्रीडा
Kridasu.
क्रीडासु.
Kridasu agresara.
उत्तमम्.
Only the center will change.
अस्तु,
Mahodaya.
धन्यवादः.
Understood.
सुधा महोदय पृच्छतु, प्रश्नः कः?
I want you to explain the, sorry, the
Not
Bhavati.
about the ninth.
भवती, fill in the blanks.
Oh, I missed the page. I'm so sorry.
We are on page number 393.
393.
393.
393.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
चिन्ता मास्तु.
Yeah, 393.
Ninth one.
Oh no. Shall I ask you a little later?
अस्तु, चिन्ता मास्तु. दृष्ट्वा वदतु. After saying you tell me. अस्तु, let's go to page number 394. अभ्यासः 239. So प्रीतिः, आसक्तिः, स्नेहः, विश्वासः इत्यादीनां शब्दानां प्रयोगे सप्तमी. So whenever we have प्रीतिः, आसक्तिः, स्नेहः, vishwasaha, then we have to use saptami. So if you want to say what is pritihi, what is the meaning in English?
Love, is it? Love.
Affection.
Liking something?
Like
Affection.
Liking, love, affection. Asaktihi.
Interest.
Interest.
Snehaha.
Friendliness.
Friendship.
Vishwasaha.
Trust.
Pritihi and asaktihi. What can anybody say? What vibhakti, what linga, vachana, etc.
Is it like matihi?
Ikara. Ikara.
Ikaranta. Strilinga.
So, astu. Pritihi. So, if it is like matihi, Sudha Mahode, Prathama Vibhakti, Pritihi, what are the forms?
Matihi, mati, matayaha. Pritihi, priti, pritayaha.
Asakti.
Asakti. Asakti. Asaktihi, asakti, asaktayaha.
Uttamam. Who wants to do the saptami for both words? Whose turn is it? Manjula Mahodaya is done. Sumitra Mahodaya. Bhavati vadatu.
Try Mahodaya. Pritau. Then Pritayoho. Preeti. My voice is like a little bit. I'm having cough, so I'll try now. Pritayoho. Pritishu.
Prityam, Prito.
Oh,
प्रीत्योः प्रीतिषु.
Preetyoho. No, what is Preetau, right? No.
Kim?
The Ekavachanam will be Preetayam or Preetay.
मम सङ्गणकं दृश्यते वा?
Mहोदय.
वदतु.
Both are there. Okay.
प्रीत्या.
I was telling Preetau. I said Preetau.
Both are correct. Right? Alternate forms.
Okay.
प्रीत्योः.
Preetau, Preetayam, Preetayoho, Preetishu.
No. It is not Preetayam. Matti becomes Matyam. So Preetyam.
Preetyam.
Preetau.
Mahodaya, I'm sorry, I'm not able to.
Chinta mastu. Don't worry. Preetishu. Hrasva ikara. Not Preetishu. Preetishu. Because it's a Mati ikaranta shabda. So Preetishu. Same way Asakti. Asakyam, Asaktyoho, Asaktishu. And alternate form for Ekavachana is Asaktau. Astu.
Bhavavachakas.
You can say it is Bhavavachaka because it is conveying a mood or a
Feeling.
Satyam. So if you take the first one, Janani Putrishu Snihyati. Who wants to try the exam meaning? Sandeep Mahodaya prayatnam karoti va?
Yeah.
Karot.
So, Karta is Janani. Snehayati is the Kriya, which is coming from Sneha, it seems like. So, Janani likes or loves Putrishu. So, her love is in her daughter. Putrishu, like that. Loves her daughter. Loves daughter. Putrishu. Putrishu, Putrishu, plural, daughters.
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Look in the brackets. Putriyaha. Putriyaha. So Putri, Putriyau, Putriyaha. So Bahuvachanam. Many daughters are there. So Putrishu Snihyati. Mother in the daughters or among in daughters has friendliness. Sneham.
Or is it among children? Daughters are more.
Atra putri iti diyate kalu putriyaha. So daughters, they are specifically talking about daughters. Oh, okay. You are saying putraha, putriyo, putriyaha. Daughters. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, did you get a turn?
I got one turn. I'll take another
Okay.
turn.
Let me finish with everybody once. Bala Mahodaya. Krupaya पुस्तकम् अस्ति वा महोदय?
अध्यापकः छात्रः पुल्लिङ्ग स्नेहयति। अध्यापकः अध्यापकः छात्रेषु स्नेहयति। स्नेहयति।
यदि
the teacher loves the students, male students, many male students.
यदि स्त्रीलिंगे छात्राः सन्ति चेत् female,
it will be छात्रासु.
उत्तमं. द्विवचन in both पुंलिंग and स्त्रीलिंग.
It will be Ramayo. It will be Chatrayoho and Chatrayoho, same.
छात्रयोः only. उत्तमम्.
धन्यवादः.
रमेश महोदय अस्ति वा? रमेश महोदय? अस्तु. लक्ष्मी महोदय महोदय
मम समीपे पुस्तकं नास्ति महोदय। एकं वाक्यं भवान् वदतु, अहं लिखामि, तदनन्तरम् अहम्।
अस्तु. रुग्णाः डैश विश्वासं कुर्वन्ति. And you have to do the saptami, appropriate saptami form of Vaidyaha. So the saptami word of Vaidyaha will go in the dash, blank.
So Vaidyaha is Rama Shabdavat. Vaidyaha. So रुग्णाः वैद्यासु विश्वासं कुर्वन्ति.
रामशब्दस्य सप्तमी बहुवचनरूपं किम्?
रामेषु वैद्येषु.
वैद्येषु. रुग्णाः वैद्येषु विश्वासं कुर्वन्ति. अर्थः? What is the meaning?
Rugnaha is the sick people.
Patients.
Patients have faith in the doctors. They keep faith. They keep faith in the doctors.
So Vishwasam. So here Vishwasam asti khalu. That's why we have to use the saptami. In whatever the Vishwasam is there, that word will be in saptami. Just like in the first two cases, snihyati, friendliness or is friend. So whatever that friendliness is, that word will be in saptami. So vishwasam, atra vishwasam asti. So whatever the vishwasam is, that word in this case
Vaidyeshu
in doctor.
Vishwasam kurvanti.
So if it was female doctors,
Vaidyasu.
Vaidyasu. Uttama. Who somebody had a question? Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya.
Me, Mahodaya.
I'm sorry, you. I don't recognize you. I just see a number 150819447. Bhavatya.
Is independence.
I'm sorry. Can you please identify yourself? What's your name?
Rohini.
Rohini Mahodaya.
What does it mean, Mahodaya? Does it mean among or towards, or what's the exact meaning?
Kim Mahodaya, can you please speak louder?
Powering off.
Am I audible?
Now it is better. Please ask.
What is the exact meaning, Mahodaya? Does it mean Vaidyashu? Does it mean among or towards the?
In or towards. We can say both. So Rugnaha Vaidyeshu Vishwasam Kurvanti. So the patients do trust. So if you do the literal translation, have trust or do trust in doctors or towards doctors. Both are correct.
Okay.
Astu bhavati karotu. Seventh one.
Seventh one. Ambayaha putreshu pritihi asti. Putreshu.
Putraha putreshu.
Putreshu.
No. Putraha ekavachanam. Kshamyata. Putraha is ekavachanam, right? So we have to convert that into saptami ekavachanam.
Oh, sorry.
Ah.
Putre
Ah.
प्रीतिः अस्ति.
अम्बायाः पुत्रे प्रीतिः अस्ति. अर्थः कः?
Mothers have love towards their sons.
No. Mothers are Ambayaha.
Yeah, that's.
Oh, okay. Mothers, okay, apostrophe.
Yeah.
Mothers love is in son.
Yes.
Uttamam. If it was 2 sons and many sons.
Ambayaha putroho. No, that is putroho. No? Putrayoho प्रीतिः अस्ति. अम्बायाः पुत्रेषु प्रीतिः अस्ति.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः. नारायणन् महोदय, दशमं करोतु, 10th one.
राक्षसस्य स्वर्गे आसक्तिः
अस्ति. So meaning
राक्षसस्य आसक्तिः स्वर्गे अस्ति.
उत्तमं. Meaning
so the Rakshasas asakti is interest of the Rakshasas is in the Swarga.
Is in the Swarga.
Is to achieve Swarga or to is in Swarga.
Uttamam.
Can we say on, Mahoday? For
on Swarga, in Swarga, both. Astu. Meera Mahodaya, 20, number 20.
Janaka Jananyau. So it will be Janani. So Nadi Shabda, Nadyoho, Dvivachana. So Putraha, Janaka Jananyoho Vinayam Pradarshayati. Son is expressing his humility in mother and father.
Janaka Dvivachana.
Yes.
Uttam.
It will take the meaning of towards.
Towards also is correct. Satya. Astu. Atra samapayamaha. So, no, not the class, just from this book. So, the remaining sentences will take it up for homework. Sudha Mahoday, pruchatu.
It's page 393, the 9th sentence. Bhavati gruhakarye nipuna. So that visheshana, because it is Bhavati, a woman, nipuna. Is my analysis correct? Bhavati is a woman, so it is nipuna.
Satyam. Yeah, if it is a man.
Nipunaha?
No.
Bhavataha?
No. Let Sudha Mahoday answer.
Bhavati, Bhavataha.
Why Bhavataha? Bhavati kim, what is the...
Bhavan. Bhavan, Nipunaha. Then it becomes Nipunaha because it's a man.
Bhavan Nipunaha, Bhavati Nipuna. Uttama.
Dhanyawad.
Mahoday, एक प्रश्नम् अस्ति.
पृच्छतु महोदय.
394, the 6th question. जनकः पुत्राः पुत्रेषु विश्वासं करोति. Right. Now supposing जनकस्य पुत्रेषु विश्वासं अस्ति.
उत्तमम्. Uttama. Satya.
So when it is related to Janakasya Vishwasam. Okay.
So if you are doing Shashti Vibhakti Janakasya, if you are talking about somebody, Janakasya Vishwasam Kutra Asti, Janakasya Vishwasam Putre Asti, in the child, in the son. But if you want to talk about the father in Prathama Vibhakti, Janakaha Vishwasam Karoti, in the son, Putre Vishwasam Karoti. The father trusts in the son. Or in the other way you said, father's trust is in the son. In both cases, in the son, it is Saptami only, but whether we are talking about father's trust or father has trust, the sentence will change. Janakasya Vishwasam or Janakaha Vishwasam Karoti.
Okay, that is basically
But
depending on
Bhanuma, this sentence on top says that if there is Vishwasa, then we have to always use Saptami, right?
That we haven't changed. Atra Pashyatu, type Karomi. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Janakaha Putre Vishwasam Karoti. So on what the Vishwasa is there, that has to be in Saptami. Putre Saptami Ekavachanam. What Narayanan Mahodaya was asking was Janakasya Asti. So Vishwasam is there. In what Vishwasam? In Putra, son. So that has not changed. It is still Saptami. On what Vishwasam is, that will be in Saptami.
Mahodaya, it has to Janakasya Vishwasam Putre Asti.
Satyam. You can.
Mahodaya, Vishwasam is Napumsakalinga, is it?
Vishwasaha.
Then it should be Vishwasaha Asti, no? That is the Karta.
Vishwasaha Asti. Satyam. Janakasya Vishwasaha Putre Asti. Like that. So the Kriya Padam in the first case was Karoti, does. So the father does trust in the son. So literal translation, or father has trust in the son. In the second case, the father's trust is in the son.
The karta is also changing.
Karta is changing. Atra karta asti Vishwasaha. Kasya Vishwasaha, Janakasya Vishwasaha. Janakasya Vishwasaha Kutra asti, Janakasya Vishwasaha Putre asti. Like that. Parantu atra, if you take Karoti as the Kriya Pada, Kim asti, Vishwasam asti.
Can we also ask Janakasya Vishwasaha Kasmin asti?
We haven't covered Kasmin, so that's why I said.
Oh, we haven't covered it. Sorry.
So Ka Karoti in the first sentence is Janakaha Karoti. Ka Asti in the second sentence is Vishwasaha Asti.
Eva. Uttama. Is that clear, or does anybody have doubts about this? Vijay Menon Mahodaya, Spashtam va?
Spashtam.
Does anybody else have questions about these two sentences?
Mahodaya. So in the first sentence, Vishwasam is Karma Padam, right? Janakaha Putre Vishwasam Karoti. Kim Karoti? Vishwasam Karoti.
Karoti is Kriya Padam.
Kriya Padam.
Karta.
Janakaha is Karta.
Janakaha.
Janakaha is Karta. Kim Karoti?
Vishwasam.
Vishwasam. Ataha Karma Padam Bhavati. Kutra Karoti.
Putre.
So the answer is in Saptami. So the question will be Kutra. Try the same thing for this sentence. Kriya padam kim asti atra?
Asti.
Asti. Karta kaha?
Vishwasah.
Vishwasah. अनन्तरं कर्म अस्ति वा?
अत्र कर्मपदं नास्ति महोदय.
अस्तु. जनकस्य एतत् शब्दः
विश्वासः पुत्रे अस्ति. षष्ठी
विभक्ति.
जनकस्य
षष्ठी एकवचनं. पुत्रे किं?
पुत्रे
सप्तमी
एकवचनं.
Saptami ekavachanam. So father's trust is in the son, or father trusts the son. That's the only subtle difference. But Vishwasa, on what Vishwasa is in the son, so that has not changed. That is in Saptami in both cases. Spashtam va?
महोदय धन्यवादः.
भानु महोदय एक प्रश्न अस्ति. Fourth question, that Vaidyaha can be Strilinga or Pullinga, right? Bahuvachana. Anyone we can, so it can be either Vaidyeshu or Vaidyasu.
Satyam. And if it is Dvivachanam?
Vaidyayoho, that same, no?
In which linga?
Both.
Vaidyayoho. That's the thing about Dvivachana. Even though we learn it in the last, it's very easy. Well, that's the reason we learn it in the last. Astu. Anye prashnaha santi va?
Asti.
Na santi. Astu. There was one topic that we had not covered in the past. So let us finish the arrears. Yatra tatra. So we had learned kutra, where tatra shabdasya artham kim?
There.
Tatra there. Yatra.
Where?
Wherever. So this is Saptami. Yatra tatra. Wherever and there. So that's a pair. That's a word pair. We had also learned about a similar word pair for Saptami Vibhakti. Does anybody remember?
Yada tada.
Yada tada. Udaharanam dadatu Sandeep Mahodaya.
Yada hi dharmasya.
Tada Bhagavan avatarati. Yada dharmasya glanihi bhavati tada Bhagavan avataram avatarati. When something happens, then whenever something happens, then something happens. So that is also in Saptami Vibhakti. So as we saw in Saptami, it indicates time and also location or place. So the other word pair that we had not covered in the past was yatra tatra. So yatra is wherever, tatra is there. So yatra madhuram asti, tatra makshikaha bhavanti. So where there is a sweet, there are flies. So yatra madhuram asti tatra makshikaha bhavanti santi. Yatra vidyalayah asti tatra chhatraha santi. So where there is a school, there are students. Yatra dharmaha asti tatra jayaha asti. Where there is dharma, there is victory. Simple, but we had to cover it. So there are some word pairs like this: yada tada, yatra tatra ityadi. There are a couple more. We will cover them in the next few classes. Any questions about this? Yatra tatra. Astu. Abhyasam kurmaha. Lakshmi Mahodaye Arambham Karotu. Lakshmi Mahodaye अस्ति वा? अस्तु. Sudha Mahodaye Karotu.
यत्र जलम अस्ति तत्र जीवनम अस्ति.
जीवनम अस्ति.
Satya. Yatra jalam asti tatra jivanam asti. You're all experts. This was class 17. So by then from that time we have learned a lot of things. So this should be cakewalk for all of you. Ramu Mahodaya.
Dhanyawad.
Ramu Mahodaya asti va?
यत्र मन्दिरम् अस्ति तत्र देवः अस्ति. देवाः सन्ति.
यत्र मन्दिरम् अस्ति तत्र देवाः सन्ति. उत्तम. श्रीविद्या महोदय.
यत्र वर्षः भवति तत्र पुष्पाणि
विकसन्ति उद्भवन्ति. उत्तमं. भवानी महोदय.
यत्र अध्यापकः अस्ति तत्र छात्राः सन्ति.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. विजय मेनन महोदय.
यत्र वृक्षः अस्ति मकरः is it what is called?
कपिः.
वानरः अस्ति.
मकरः is crocodile.
Okay.
तत्र वानरः अस्ति, कपिः अस्ति. So if I want to say two monkeys are there, where there is a tree, there are two monkeys.
यत्र वृक्षः अस्ति तत्र वानरौ स्तः.
यत्र वृक्षः अस्ति तत्र वानरौ स्तः. बहुवचने many monkeys.
यत्र वृक्षः अस्ति तत्र वानराः सन्ति.
वानराः सन्ति. उत्तमम्. अस्तु. संदीप महोदय.
Where he goes, I also go there. Yatra saha gacchati tatra aham api gacchami.
उत्तमम्. यत्र सः गच्छति अहमपि तत्र गच्छामि. द्विवचने we too go there and बहुवचन we all go there.
यत्र सः गच्छति आवाम अपि तत्र गच्छावः. यत्र सः गच्छति वयम अपि तत्र गच्छामः.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. चैत्र महोदय, instead of I go there, let's use madhyama purusha. You go, you two go, you all go.
यत्र सः गच्छति त्वम् अपि तत्र गच्छतु.
Gachatu, that is lot lakara. If you want to do lat lakara,
gachasi.
Tvamapi gachasi.
Gachasi.
Wait a minute. In lot lakara, is it when we use tvam, will it be gachatu?
Tvam. No, lot lakara gachatu.
गच्छ
it is gaccha,
गच्छ मध्यम पुरुष गच्छ. If he said bhavan or bhavati, then gacchatu. But if he say tvam gaccha. Let me write it down. Instead of aham, if he say tvam gaccha. Why gaccha? Because tvam, we are using tvam. So madhyama purusha ekavachana form of the gam dhatu is what we have to use. Tvam gaccha. द्विवचने किं भवति?
यत्र सः गच्छति त्वां नो अहं न स्मरामि महोदय.
चिन्ता मास्तु. मीरा महोदय प्रयत्नं करोति वा? चिन्ता मास्तु महोदय. इंस्टेड ऑफ त्वं द्विवचन बहुवचन. मीरा महोदय अस्ति वा?
आं महोदय. यत्र सः गच्छति त्वमपि तत्र गच्छ. यत्र सः गच्छति त्वं युवाम् अपि तत्र गच्छतम्. And यत्र सः गच्छति यूयम् अपि तत्र गच्छत. गच्छत.
गच्छ गच्छतं गच्छत.
गच्छत.
Let us review the gam dhatu in the different forms. अस्तु अस्तु अत्र कुर्मः. So in latlakara gacchati gachatah gacchanti gacchasi gachatah gachatha gacchami gacchavaha gacchamaha. So in lot lakara gacchatu gacchatam gacchantu gaccha gacchatam gacchata gacchani gacchava gacchama. So because it is tvam, we are using gaccha. So instead of tvam, if it is bhavan or bhavati, kim?
Gacchatu.
Narayanan Mahodaya, bhavan. Kim bhavati? Bhavan api?
Bhavan api tatra gacchatu.
Gacchatu. Dvivachane. We didn't do bhavan. I will give you the answer. Bhavantau.
Bhavantaha.
Bhavantaha. Etat kim bhavati? Instead of gacchatu.
Bhavantau gacchatam.
Gacchatam.
And bhavantaha gacchantu.
Gacchantu. So let us do the same lot lakara in Uttama Purusha. Aham. Who wants to do this?
Aham karomi Mahodaya.
Karatu. Aham api tatra in lot
Gacchani.
Lot lakara. Gacchani.
Gacchani.
Gacchani. Dvivachane kim bhavati?
Bhavantau api gacchava.
अहम्
आवाम्
आवाम् अपि तत्र
गच्छाव वयम् अपि
गच्छाम उत्तमम् अस्तु प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? So what will be the meaning here? This is lot lakara. So what will be the meaning here? बाला महोदय प्रयत्नं करोति वा? बाला महोदय अस्ति वा?
आम्
यत्र सः गच्छति अहमपि तत्र गच्छामि तस्य अर्थं किम्?
Let me also go there.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं प्रार्थना आज्ञा और प्रार्थना. Where he goes, let me also.
Can it be may I also go there?
May I go? May I go? Let me go. Uttamam. Bala Mahodaya atra in this block that is highlighted.
Yatra sa gachati avam api tatra gachava.
That is
on top.
No.
That's over. Okay. Yatra sa gachati tvam api tatra gacha. You also go there.
You also go there. And here in this second block,
you too also go there.
Satyam.
And in this case, it will be you, third person, you go there.
May you go.
And
may you go.
May you go there.
May you go there.
Or please go there.
Please go.
Or please go there. And
so
you too also go there.
Satyam.
And so forth.
So forth. Correct. So when we use tvam dvivachana, the kriya padam takes the appropriate form. Gacha, gachatam,
gachatam, gacha.
Gachata. And if it is bhavan, uttama, prathama purusha asti, that is why gachatu, gachatam.
Gachatu, gachatam, gachatu.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah.
So any questions, any doubts about this one? Is this spashtam?
Uyam is dirgham, right?
Satyam. Astu. Let's finish up the abhyasa. Chaitra Mahodaya Anantaram Vijay Menon Mahodaya. You're all asking questions at the right time. Karotu Mahodaya. Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Where the mother goes, the child also follows. Yatra janani gachati tatra
putraha putri
putraha api
anusarati anugachati anusarati. Uttama. Bhagya Mahodaya.
Yatra Vishnu asti tatra Lakshmi asti.
Lakshmi asti.
Lakshmi api asti. Lakshmi api tatra asti.
Asti bhavati. So in this sentence or in these sentences, let us say I take out tatra. Yatra Vishnu asti Lakshmi api bhavati. Does that make sense?
Yes.
What will be the sentence if I remove tatra? Vadatu Bala Mahodaya.
Yatra Vishnu asti Lakshmi api bhavati.
Or let's take a simpler sentence. Yatra jalam asti tatra
Yatra jalam asti jivanam asti.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So yatra jalam asti jivanam asti. So just like in English, we say wherever there is water, we can say there the life is there, or we can say life is there. We don't have to use there. So tatra, if you are intending to use yatra tatra pair, tatra is optional. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Mahodaya, can we use jalam asti chet jivanam api asti?
Uttamam. Chet api upayogam kartum shakyate.
Mahodaya, if tatra is not used, then the insistence on the place is not given now.
It's implied. It's implied.
Yeah. Yes.
That's the only point I'm trying to make. Yes, the place is implied, just like in English, in Sanskritam also, it will be implied if we skip tatra. So all I'm saying is tatra is optional. But tatra
asti also you can remove.
Of course. So tatra is optional, but if you use tatra, it will be more clear and the emphasis will be there. Spashtam va?
Like from the Bhagavad Gita, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna.
Harsha Mahoday. Harsha Mahoday asti va? अस्तु वरलक्ष्मी महोदय एतत् करोतु कृपया. वरलक्ष्मी महोदय अस्ति वा? अस्तु रोहिणी महोदय.
अस्तु महोदय.
कृपया करोतु.
The word for pond.
सरोवरं सरोवरः.
सरोवरः. यत्र सरोवरः अस्ति तत्र कमलानि विकसन्ति.
उत्तमं. कमलानि विकसन्ति. उत्तमं. यत्र सरोवरः अस्ति तत्र कमलानि विकसन्ति. लक्ष्मी महोदय.
Yatra, can we say Maidanam for playground?
Udyanam.
Yatra Udyanam asti, tatra children.
Kridanganam.
Yatra Kridanganam asti, tatra balakaha. Or balakaha, we can say children, it can be balakaha dhavanti.
Dhavanti. Uttama. Balakaha. Astu. Sudha Mahodaya antimam karotu.
Yatra hard work.
Krushihi.
Yatra krushihi asti, tatra result. Phalitam asti.
You can also say Mahodaya Parishramam also.
Parishramam.
Parishramam asti, safalam bhavati.
Safalam bhavati, phalitam agacchati, phalam bhavati. Uttama. Prashna santi va? So that's a good measure of the progress we have all made since class 17. In class 17, we would have struggled to make these sentences. Now it's very easy. Astu. So when we talk about yatra, as Ramu Mahodaya pointed out, there is a very famous shloka. Yatra Yogeshwaraha. Ramu Mahodaya. Vadatu. Yatra Yogeshwaraha Krishna.
Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna tatra bharto dhanudhara. तत्तस्य युज्यो भवति ध्रुवाणीति निर्ममः.
Uttamam. Artha kaha? What is the meaning of that shloka? Or who says that? Does anybody remember the context?
Sanjaya. Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra.
When does he say that? When does he say that?
At the end of the
Kurukshetra.
18th chapter.
Last shloka.
18th chapter.
Last shloka of Bhagavad Gita.
And also in Vishnu Sahasranamam also.
Satya. Vishnu Sahasraname api agachati.
Vishnu Sahasranam is later than Bhagavad Gita.
So Prathamam Bhagavad Gita.
That also happens in Kurukshetra warfield only.
Prathamam prayah Bhagavad Gitayam asti. So Artha ka, what is the meaning? Atra darshayami. Can you see my screen?
Wherever Yogeshwara is there, wherever Partha is there, Dhanurdhara, there Sri Vijaya, Sri Prosperity, Vijaya, Victory,
Prosperity,
Dhruva, Buddhi, Dhruva, Nitir, Matir, Mama. Mama Niti.
What is the general meaning as you understand from that shloka, as you read Bhagavad Gita?
Wherever Yogeshwara Krishna is there, who does only good.
So wherever Krishna and Arjuna are there prosperity, Vijaya, everything will happen. Dharma will happen.
Uttama. So let us break down the Sandhi so that it will become easy to understand. So this will be Krishna, Partha,
Shrihi,
Shrihi, Vijaya,
Matihi. Mama.
So Mati
also. Bhuti Dhruva.
Mama Mati is his opinion. Sanjaya's opinion. Mama Mati.
Mama Matihi, not Mati, Matihi.
Matihi.
Mama Matihi. My opinion. Matihi. We saw.
Dhanuhu Dharaha. Dhanur Dharaha or Dhanuhu?
Dhanuhu Dharaha. Dhanur Dharaha.
Because of Samasa, it will become Dhanur Dhara.
Okay.
One who wields a bow, like that. So Mama Matihi Asti. So
Dhanur Dharaha is a Visheshanam for Partha.
One second. Sanjay is saying Mama Matihi Asti, or it's my opinion, or it's in my mind. So we saw Matihi, Ikaranta Strilinga last time. Mama, what is Mama?
Shashti.
Vibhakti. Ekavachanam.
Asmat Shabda Shashti Ekavachana. Yatra Yogeshwaraha Krishnaha. So Yogeshwaraha is a description of Krishna. So with that,
Visheshanam.
So with that said, Yatra Yogeshwaraha Krishnaha. So Yatra, wherever. So Atra Vishesha Visheshana Bhava Asti. What is Visheshya? What is Visheshana?
Visheshana is Yogeshwaraha. Visheshya is Krishna.
Satya. Visheshana. Krishna. So what is Krishna? Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti?
Ekavachana,
Pullinga. Pratama Vibhakti.
So Yogeshwaraha also has to be Pullinga, Ekavachana.
Ekavachana, Pratama Vibhakti.
Yogeshwara is also Yoga Ishwaraha.
Yoga Ishwaraha.
Yogasya Ishwaraha, but we are not splitting the samasa here. Somebody else wants to try? So other than Lakshmi Mahodaya and Narayanan Mahodaya who have been trying that, I would
Can I
like
try?
somebody else to try this.
Can I try, Mahodaya?
Sri Vidya Mahodaya and then Vijay Menon Mahodaya.
Parthaha is Pullinga Ekavachanam Prathama Vibhakti.
Pumlinga.
Parthaha is the Viseshya.
Viseshya.
Viseshya. Dhanurdharaha is a Visheshana.
Visheshana.
Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti.
So this is in Prathama Pumlinga Ekavachana. So Dhanurdharaha should also be Pumlinga Prathama Ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
So what is Dhanurdharaha?
One who wields the bow.
One who wields the bow. So where Partha, who is the wielder of the bow, is there, and here where Yogeshwara in Krishna is there. Vijay Menon. Let Vijay Menon Mahodaya try. Dhanyavad. Tatra, second line.
Okay, Tatra Shri Vijayah Bhuti Dhruva Niti.
Yeah.
Okay, there.
There. Wherever Krishna is there, wherever
there and Arjuna is there.
Tatra, there.
Tatra, there.
Shri. Ikaranta Strilinga Pada.
Ikaranta Shrilinga Ekavachana.
Ekavachana. Shri means wealth.
Wealth. Okay. Prosperity.
Prosperity.
Vijayah is Pullinga Ekavachana.
Pumlinga Ekavachana Prathama.
Yeah. And victory. Victory. Prathama. Then Bhuti. What is Bhuti? I don't know.
It is also similar word to prosperity.
Okay. So Bhuti.
Dhruva.
Like Hari and all. It's Pullinga Ekvachan.
Prayaha. We have to look it up. Dhruva. Certainly. A certain. I'm not sure if we can split this like that. I think it will be one word only. Bhutir Dhruva. Bhutir Dhruva. I will look it up and tell. For now, we will treat it as one word. Bhutir Dhruva. So certain definite wealth or definite prosperity, something like that. Nitihi.
Nitihi, justice will be there.
Similar to what word we learned?
Matihi.
Matihi. And again, Matihi is there. So now if we put everything together, Shlokasya artham kim bhavati?
So wherever there is Krishna, Yogeshwar Krishna and Dhanurdhara Partha, that is Arjuna, there is prosperity, victory and justice.
It is my opinion, or in my opinion, my opinion is that wherever there is Krishna and Arjuna, there is prosperity, victory, etc. Uttama. Prashna Vadanti va?
Yeah, Bhanumade, Shrihi, usually Ikaran Striling, there is no Visarga.
There are certain words like Lakshmi, Preeti, they will have Ihi, it's an alternate form. Lakshmi api asti, Lakshmihi is more common. So Shrihi is common. Those are some exceptional Strilinga forms. They will have the Visarga.
But so the rest of the Vibhakti is like the same, Ikaran.
Satya. Right. Lakshmi, Shri, Preeti, those are the 3 or 4 different words that are exceptional in that they have the visarga.
Mahodaya, Niti is stable, no? Stability.
Astu.
I will maintaining stability, stable order.
Astu. Astu. Astu.
And Bhanumati, Bhuti.
There will be justice there.
Vadat. Astu, let us finish let us stop the class and I will stay back. You can ask me questions because it's time. Then you can ask me other questions. Lakshmi Mahodaya, Mangala Shlokam Krupaya Karoti.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamugacchate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
Sarvesham dhanyavadah asti.
धन्यवाद.